is your spacious living area. So here you can add up your platforms over this, and once you enter, you can check out the space. Here's a much more space over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at TVS Luxure, which is located in Anna Nagar, one of the prime location in Chennai. And this project is developed by TVS Emerald. And today we are here to do the actual flight tour. Now let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So right now we are near the land parcel, and basically here's the land parcel. So you can have a look at the tower itself and about the marketing offices inside the tower itself. Let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this project consists of 2 towers in 2.1 acres. So both the towers are parallelly featured, with each tower of basement still plus 16 floors, having 128 units with 3 BHK, 4 BHK and duplex premium residencies. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse with gymnasium, tennis court. Here's a swimming pool, kids play area, garden area, walking track and many more amenities in the project. And even here's the rooftop amenities as well. Now about the location part, and the project is located exactly behind VR Mall in Anna Nagar, Chennai. And let me show you that basically this road will connect you towards Satya Sai Nagar Road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. Coimbatore Metro Station is 5 minutes away from the project. Rohini Cinema is 7 minutes away. Anna Nagar Tower Park is 10 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's have a tour of your 3 BHK premium actual flat of 1999 square feet super built up area. So here's the main entrance, but before that let me show you that this is the lobby space that will be included over here. And before entering, here's your video door phone with the digital door lock for your security purpose. And once you enter, even they have provided a foyer area for your privacy again. And this side is your spacious living area. So this is the living area where you can set your TV unit over here in front of your sofa set. So you can add up your sofa set and the couches this side, which has a connecting balcony as well. So this is a connecting balcony with wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now moving further, so basically your dining area. This is a space where you can add up your dining area, and for now they have added up this 3D model right over here. The dining area contains 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose, or else even you can use the space in a multi-purpose way. Now about the kitchen area, so right over here. This side is a kitchen area. So here you can add up your platforms over this side and your serving platform exactly opposite to that as well. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this is your utility space. Your utility area with anti-skid flooring. And the provision for machine is placed over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. But before that, here's a sink area that they are providing you. And you can add up your puja space over this side. Now exactly beside it is your bedroom number 1. So let's have a look at your bedroom number 1. So once you enter, you can check out the space over here. This is much more spacious. This is the attached washroom with anti-skid tile, CP sanitary fitting and shower glass partition as well. One more thing to highlight in this room is the balcony. So here they are providing you with the attached sit-out area as well. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. So your 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So you have to take a walk from your living and the dining area. So once you move further, right on my right hand side is your bedroom number 2, and once you move in, right here, this is your bedroom space. So exactly in front of the TV unit space, you can add up your bed. Here's the wardrobe space over that side and a full window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room. Now, exactly in front of this bedroom is the common washroom with the easy access, just over here. Within this kit tiles and CP sanitary fitting, and the shower area is separated via the tile rope. Now, I know you guys are waiting for the master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So, Housey is here with the actual location tool, with some sample flight videos and actual flight videos as well, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So, what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So, the uniqueness is the flooring. These are the pure wooden flooring. And once you enter, you can check out the space. Here's a much more space over here. You can add up your wardrobe over this side. The bed exactly beside it. Here your bed space. And in front is the TV unit space. And again, it has a connecting balcony. So this is the connecting balcony with wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and you can enjoy the beautiful view from this balcony. Even this master bedroom has its own attached master washroom area. So here's your master washroom with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here at TVS Emerald project. Have you checked another project with TVS Emerald? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.